fatty liver disease. It's a silent epidemic. It affects millions. This disease can be deadly. Yet most people don't even know they have it. Our liver is a vital organ. It works tirelessly. It filters toxins, produces bile, and metabolizes nutrients. But when fat builds up in the liver, it can lead to serious health problems. This buildup of fat is called fatty liver disease. It affects about 25% of adults. Many of them don't even know it. That's because fatty liver disease often has no symptoms in its early stages. This silent disease can progress over time. It can lead to inflammation, scarring, and even liver failure. It's crucial to understand the risks. It's also key to take steps to prevent this condition. Your liver will thank you. Fatty liver disease is often called a silent disease. It rarely causes noticeable symptoms in the early stages. You may not even know you have it. This makes the disease dangerous. It can lead to serious liver damage. So, who is at risk? Several factors increase your chances. Being overweight or obese is a major risk factor. Especially dangerous is excess belly fat. Even certain medications can increase your risk. Subtle clues include unexplained fatigue or discomfort. Seek medical advice if you experience these symptoms. Early detection allows for lifestyle changes. The liver is a powerhouse. It's the largest internal organ. It performs over 500 vital functions. It filters toxins from the blood. It produces bile for fat digestion. It even helps regulate blood sugar levels. Visceral fat is harmful to the liver. Excess calories are stored as visceral fat. This fat releases inflammatory substances. These can damage the liver, increasing the risk of fatty liver disease. A healthy liver filters toxins efficiently, but a fatty liver struggles to function. Our modern diet is often overloaded with sugar and refined carbohydrates. These dietary components are major culprits in the development of fatty liver disease. When you consume sugary drinks or processed foods, your liver converts the excess sugar into fat. This process, called de novo lipogenesis, contributes to the accumulation of fat in the liver. Refined carbohydrates like white bread, white rice, and pastries are quickly broken down into sugar in your body. This rapid spike in blood sugar further promotes fat storage in the liver. Imagine your liver as a sponge. Consuming excessive sugar and refined carbs is like constantly soaking this sponge. It leads to an overburdened and fatty liver. Reclaiming liver health. A practical guide to dietary changes. Fatty liver disease is often reversible with lifestyle changes, especially dietary adjustments. Start by reducing sugary drinks. Swap soda for water, unsweetened tea, or sparkling water. Limit processed foods high in sugar and unhealthy fats. Focus on whole foods like fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins. The golden spice for liver wellness. Turmeric, the golden spice commonly used in Indian cuisine, has gained recognition for its potential liver protective properties. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, possesses potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. These properties help protect the liver from damage caused by inflammation and oxidative stress. Studies have shown that curcumin may help reduce liver fat accumulation, improve liver function, and protect against liver injury. While more research is needed, incorporating turmeric into your diet may offer additional support for liver health. Incorporating turmeric into your diet. Adding turmeric to your diet is simple and delicious. You can easily sprinkle turmeric powder into smoothies, soups, stews, or stir-fries. To enhance curcumin absorption, combine turmeric with black pepper. Black pepper contains piperine, a compound that increases curcumin bioavailability. Golden milk, a comforting and flavorful beverage, is a popular way to enjoy turmeric. Simply warm milk or plant-based milk with turmeric, ginger, cinnamon, and a pinch of black pepper. A brighter future for your liver. Fatty liver disease is a serious condition, but don't despair. By adopting a healthy lifestyle, you can take control of your liver health and reduce your risk. Remember to nourish your liver with a balanced diet, Prioritize regular physical activity and consider incorporating turmeric into your culinary repertoire. Small changes can make a big difference. Start today and empower yourself to live a longer, healthier life with a happy liver.